Make we dey talk truth. Truth is good. Truth is good. Eddie Murphy dey lie. He dey lie. Now know why? Because anything we best they talk for this world, for this life, bring proof. We need proof, Eddie Murphy. The time we Papa Wala, they fuck Monica, we need the proof. Where the video? Where the thing? Where and where? That one I not saw it. Amafowa. How old is J-Boy? Amatsa. Inya obi abo da. Ire pesa no nyegbo. Wana ebibia ya fefe waye if you better no princess la na table no akanya princess no ga akanya princess ona ga akanya obi o kan kere amemi no wa hia o me social media ni mo bi ere ni akanya because obi e mare ba men. Those children, they are innocent. If you were very wrong there. No matter what a pa go do you, women rights no a princess no more la dia innocent soul. It can't be careful. You have to bring that video down immediately. Because of your honey or one more door, if ye or one more door, or mono almost say, I'm going to drop the video. Emma. No, Kenya princess. I go not say yes. I mean, look dating. Not say yes. Yes. Carry on. Go and bring out that video. That little child is not good to be humiliated. Where are they? Mama Monica. When Mama Monica starts live video, Mona bring her out. When Monica starts live video, the Monica or J-Boy ne I guess when live video. A Monica, a Mama Monica or J-Boy ne fa. A Monica que son live video. A Monica is on live video. Wala ana do have wala have wala be ya. Are they lie? How J-Boy can't be do me the Papa Wala piki? We be say Mama Monica don't born J-Boy. Okay, do it not a live video. Go and look at your houses in Benin City. Oh, yeah, me tamta 4 flats. Amami ono 200,000 naira de no wa wana big aja wana big wa. Madams, wana big aja yana hu wa ginoto impam. Awo wa wenu ye no bo 4 flat 2 flats. 180,000 naira de no beje. You are a wasted soul, madam. 2015, now the J-Boys are old. When Monica come George, every other boy, I the Tory, George, and Amproco. I debana. Upon Monica Swan, live video, Moladia. Upon be J-Boy, my sweetheart J-Boy, Abe Moladia. Now the differentiate. Yes. Why you got them, no mama? Obi o ibiaka na nya precious gbe wagume ke wona si oboju wa o ibi biaka na nya precious gbe emi na wu me ibi be ni me na Ashley he wa do am nya wa fly here on Facebook. I tell when I can die. I'm telling you the whole truth. You want to kill me there, those just carry my kids. Just do the anyhow. You will hear I'm dead. I can die for my children. That is why I fight for other children. They are so innocent. All these things they happen and they look like this. They don't know. Look at my precious princess, Ovia Eddie Murphy. And Ovia Hannah, what? Why yak be money, Mama Monica? Wag be wa? Mama Monica, Oga me prove or rest at Dokbaji. She played a record. She did not forge anything she said. It was a record that they sent to her that she played in a live video. Am I lying? Avec one look dead. Avec Ganyo Hua. Imetoge or Gemona Zuo. Metoria, emi ya ne Monica be, emi ya ne Monica we pejogere mama Monica me no ma. Emi ya no we pejogere. Inya send egie, e prove ya ro we sian. Inya do I me a beg na I will pay. Oh, give me this €300. Give me 500. Na, imuna we no uno. Yes. So I to make it now bang it down. Me isetin na do a mo ai mo kesi gume ido na ade 500 ma o na do a mo picture wa shile adia emi me ti gbe me wa imi ateli awe you give me 500 if you no want me I play your record but nya mbo me ladia o me dame isetin o sie so no igo mo rien o se wa abije mo so na be mo Monica na njena mama Monica no njena na igo ni oriori ene o magi jere gi wie nya tebo ni wie igo na iri so no o maga ene anemi ya ne mama Monica muladia everything that she is bringing that they have proof I see everything she have proof. Esther Dokbaji that is crying today that she's going to use last couple to go to Dirty Doctor and deal with Monica. Let me finger on Carolo. And my boy, is Jamie. They hear me. Or make an ave balance or we lose. Or boy is not God. When abo boji o mano geleo hen e boya don le lo mari o e bo e ti gun avec no manage na it's just fact when me na imam ye ni obo no ya mu dan won da hi wa ga slasla because e bo me gwa sakete e gwa isa so can anybody no giro to tem na ya no sunda Monica the boy igbalo all fade. Because if no here Monica be matana, she have a proof. Somebody send it to her, and that is what she's doing on social media. Yes. Oni nyewu social media. Ohun what se bono wie o make, but em yokpa no wahia tave eru kwala nya ejebo na lie. Na lie. Na lie. Eru kwa la bejebo because Monica obiejebo ne te ake miere wati eji odola la video que de son awe la video de Monica ge mama Monica ito ge ya okay do aberu kwa la okay do ma ya fefe adelai u wana gbigbi agia wana gbegbo kwa we e fo flat o wa tari lu e ni ha Wavia ne nwa wavia gwe magua ave wedan ya ye fiete e mani mitwa o hia we ozo we me na mitwa me webo you dey hear it's working this is very working yi mo penti lai yi make up iru edu azo o so na nwina isare de me wa nwina kakabo when me gwa na mate mama Monica no I'm not like that I'm a saint I'm very pure. I don't need to call anybody to say, yeah, we live video. Okay. No. I do for God Almighty. Is the fact. Is the truth. Nothing but the truth. All of you that is happy for Saga right now, I wish your flats that you built in Nigeria, you are collecting 800,000 naira yearly. Whereas you live video. You are Nigeria enjoy. Away. Am I lying? Fools. The money big again like bekwa. Oh bekwa. And I go wagino to. Fool. Waguya. Who? The money kavia was already. Okay, said the boy wayaga nene baby. Nene will be pump. Hey, pump. Wayana go. Wagi go for nena. Okay, the Murphy wa ivejo. But our own have proof. Eddie Murphy don't have proof. Eddie Murphy is lying. Big lie. If Eddie Murphy also said if you need no give fuck if you need it's a lie. A point. Not lie. You say it's okay no. It's okay, no one talk. It's okay, just keep the secret. Liar. Liar. When una do party, long time, don't take. If you don't come out, come cause a Edimofi, say Edimofi, they sleep with my daughter, my precious daughter, princess, whether it's a lie. If you be talk about, if you the big time down no matter what, hey, tie. If you need the big time, I don't know, I mean, no matter. But me na a power with me, The only thing I can say, you decrease, you demand, you decrease. For never knew. I cannot talk things that is no, I'm Natania. You will your boy, I'll go boy, what's a bonum and but it do a term in if you had a bit when you get a power, a princess, a dear Nakas, don't ever say that again. Face a pass squarely. Just only a parent and the wife. Remove the children. They hear me so. Our party, ne. If you need a doigt, tiens bonnet. Et pas avec ou ouais princesse no more ouais money got them now boss and you wa mana la tan kada de hey if you need we no be one if no ge ma ho we wa me mam gwa o mata be ge ni jo gwa ya mu jo gwa no ati eji nya vai mi anya it's okay o maladie be ge ni do ta vivie what bono we abi cause gbava oya gbona agbagba ni vie te bono e place no mo the first time you is a maladian you not come out come say if you dey cause my daughter you dey cause my children say my no be you e no get for I don't catch now o matter e ban wa e daughter there e no get for if you need na lie e no get no for give na lie ho, na lie. Who am I your mouth? As I did, I don't feel like for my head though. They go your lie, they go just cook and people just believe. Say, hey, na lie. But me, I know you people already that you are lies. You people lie too much. Lies. You no get no fuck you. You no get if you no get fuck you, say you so can catch them. Edward Festus Ogmogbera Gbijoya. I'm not joining anybody here. I'm just Larry Ogmogbera. Okbia not buy in Nigeria na do azuo be webu. Ozuo wenolomari. Lema ya go shut up. Shut up ozuo down. We will live video ama we argue on okwayo. Weda eme no gwa congé o me e di mo fuma te boni me babo fie ko le ravi joy di mo fuma te boni me na be tene we de gbe Edward e ravi you e we gbo e block we me ni tama we areva ni yave te ni yave tare be gbe de gbo e be de ton e tu we mi ton wizard avec bien de nefite na o bien de no gbina yigemo digo mani dere yagi iwa ganya hin not all the men this Edward won down pana digo money yeni wa anya ma asa ne dere have do ya we like do but you shut up, you just go one side and let me talk, idiot. Edimofi you dey lie. They no get no fuck if you at all. Oh, go water. Now lie you they talk. Edimofi no fuck if you. Hey, you got talking. You are just doing all these things for you to go to YouTube. Edimofi. Nya make so ene. Ya then I was one. Even have fuck. Have you go yare wana? It's all the women are there. They fuck them. They fuck the highlight of them. I'm telling you for the truth, to you people are thinking down the line. They fuck them very, very well. All these women that is with the Murphy right now, whatever, fake account. They fuck them. How can a child that they fuck in a tender age know what she's doing now? What would she know? Now this saga they go they follow. Deto omo no mo wa menwa. So menwa wa bi ko ni gbigbi agene so wa menwa wo. So wa menwa ngo. But ni menwa wo bun se. Thank you, Shobi. Thank you, God bless you for that, as you know. Ana mugwari, wana pestitaza, wana zua, wana gape, wana gamungo, nina gahuwa ginoto. Then when we hega mem begena. What they were Ibeshile. Since where they are now, I said, make we put joy as friends. Nobody bring them home up. Nobody. Why human or government whichever government in Muwa, very warriors, very useless women. Not all. Not all. I have real women, real adult women in this Europe. Good ones. Look at the ones buying hair from me. They are wonderful mommies. Wonderful mommies buying hair from me. They love me so much. They understand where I'm coming from. I will look with dating now. You want to kill Monica, kill her. What did she do? She did not do anything. She saved you people's life. She bring out the proof. She said, look at what Esther is doing. She was playing the record. Esther, we will la dia wo ga no. E record we ga, e voice we ga no. Na you pian na here. Wasiebolo. E record we ga no. Abio na this that thing na the grand so. Na make Monica the one push inside well so. Now make them want push Monica inside. Call ye. Mommy, call mommy. Call ye. Now make them want push Monica inside where so. Ma ya no zedo. Oh, we do. We surprise the don't pa yo we do redo. Era we jaba we do nyedo. Yes, because you see, it was your voice. It was your voice. Everything was your voice. So why did you want to kill Monica? Why is everybody just on that record? Why is everybody standing in that record that have proof? Eddie Murphy don't have any proof. Eddie Murphy is lying. Babo ge tabe Eddie Murphy do fen boy. Mi ya fe no tade matano. Ni ya ve no ge o de ni na to ge yo. Gunu me wia. Oni me no ga. Geri to say me ma we gbe yo heri o ve to ge mi ya no ta ya o we ya ge tu ime me no me tu he me tu ime ta se expression he awe me ya wo tu wow ge ni iwe abracadabra or what time wa ya we expression oh god oh toge break me 5 minutes oh toge. Don't, Eddie Murphy is just looking for money on social media. What say ye? Eddie Murphy is just looking for money on social media. That is just it. Me now, when I finish for this work now, when I reach out, I see Saturday do hair. You get one, I don't do the closure yesterday. I want to finish the back. When we need to go social media, they do me. Then do me. Then do me. So when you want them now, idio waja, amawe finya yi, amawe finya bay. Idio waje ze. Iwa tabe no wabeje. Imawe de ba Monica bebe. No we ma. Na be no gwalo no. You go near them, but no magi de nya we table ni. Na be ko do ori je boy ni oyere. Bia yi wenya. The dog me na wa ya ha nya ya fefe va do vio yo wa ya wa gbele gbwa iga hunu emena emona munu wa me nya wa egumewu because I for they do wonder for social media but because of my children he said tinyo me ni ati ewu is a boy you boy you e nya agbo mo cause me agbegbe won ime o ma wegbe ani we mi megbe kakabo they are so lovely. Not only my kids, all the children are lovely in this world. You understand me? Eddie is lying. Eddie is lying. They get me. Ye chipoje. Oh, go yata mame. Edi mofi oh dan. Edi oma dan no gwali go social media. Edi oma dan no gwali go social media. How old are you? Your brother is a senator. Edi mofi, your brother did not employ you because you are not educated. But you can ask for a gate man. You can take the office of a gate man or you can be collecting 5 million naira or 6 million naira from there a month. You can be collecting 5 million naira. Why can't get not 20 senator a deco? Because you magic is school, but why can't get you get money? Than you doing all this. My sister or my brother cannot be a senator. Ido agwale. Mona me go YouTube. Me go YouTube. Saga papa. Saga. Old fool. That's what you are. Fool. Old fool. Mona follow go YouTube but me for say money the job because he's an old fool. Mona follow go YouTube maybe me ane. Because only now when saga. Papa we have the lad that we made those. Oh, maybe we now. Oh God. It is Yahweh. One Lord, yari jama zam. Mami not see bono. Ya moawe. Mega moime. Eken hana te wedete iwe bomene. Meme wa bi me. Gay. Nwano eziza. Owa pekina. Ilowe. Wa mo da bobo. Amimi we. Wa be ta wo bi me give no ima dia bi ma de ama wo to hia ti wo mi pa you do the lie e di o ma dan di mo fi di o ma dan to egbe o mi pa we mi re dossier never in fact mo hia wo mi me ma ba no te bonu we ni na banu ati ebon ifiebe ga mo bo me ina de gbe ya se ne po he say na banu te bon na te bo me ya fefe I don't return cost for evie I naked the go return evie ni vie cost we cost say God forbid that my sister e di mo fi kwa me banu abije ko wa me ya te bonu u favor awa wa u favor if you boy you we me dey that to kin te bo me ya fefe jo wu ne e be na pa wita enya ya ema do amitan wa Facebook wa na amitan wa aya this is the way you destroying people on social media when you know that this thing you are saying is a lie. If it's truth, it's okay. Monica won't have proof. Monica have proof. It's okay, yeah. She have proof. Mama Monica bring out all the proof of Sadokbayi. There was a proof, there was everything, but the only thing that Mama Monica did was the day of her party. Okay, Duduva guy. Mama Monica. Oh, we yeki. Yes, so we yeki, my yale we yeki. And me here you now, Mama Monica. Ave mani expression ya ave ne so contact we ni ave avio gwe no ahie no ade go gian ani ma hia you no have expression of your gwe wa be share the expression 80 euro ya be do we di go gian won mama di ma ya we so no gi webo ge ri no ge di agwenye gwan me see my if you see many disgrace I get for social media a disgrace me ibu na me come out I say my husband they fucked me for back before we was not again. Mota. Now is a game again. Him. Now is a game. The minimum many things where I don't talk with my mouth. So this life is fun. You know, in a way, I wanna gear, almost I wanna veer. Me all this when people are laughing, I laugh with them because it's better. You laugh at me, I will laugh also. But if your partner hates a V. I don't like cry. R.I.P. I don't like cry. You understand me? So that is it. I love all my Edo people so much. Unless someone or Yoruba or Yausa or they don't know not destroy my onya you ya die. Or Queranque or you ya mwe. Or Vibo don't do or ya lay. Oh, Lubiado. or you may die. Yes. Et dit, mon fils, et papa non zoa, mal le YouTube, bien, I go subscribe. Make an amigo yard, et to go, et moi. Saga, Monica, il faut quand, ou rien ya folk. Et qui a rien. Now so mama Monica get a dido. And which woman not get dido? Which woman not get dido? For house. We say your so and shine your shine, man. Our shine, ma make na hebu. Who are begging as if my happy mama will not die. You say me will not enjoy for this life. Mama Monica Magbawa. Boy, you can where we talking pa. It's okay, we are where say, where you want me? We're not hinja. What if you this one? Now so, I feel cody, and I am not for cody, I feel Oma sesi, afioko di, afioko nia. So far the man and why? Awa fioko, awa Oriane wu. Jena gbe ya ba me riri we ni mo ya ta na. Maria gmodo uno na, Maria gmodo uno. Awa enjoy awari mi. So emi agbon we niki, Monica fioko. Mama Monica fioko. Mama Monica fioko di, Mama Monica fioko. Wa ge we wa tsa unu we mu we. E di wa dan. E di wa na me go poor man. Poor man, who can you be poor? You are too poor to the call. You may not say you not so why you are telling you what. Hey, Jimmy, karate. E di mo fi ga gbue, You ga gbue be ana. You ga gbue ogun gbue. You ga gbue you are temi ya no. If you wait, I be home ni me. Lie. Na make not about me because I love kids. God forbid, umami wene baba down at the mofi. Yawa ige. O ma down o toge gbe. O de banavena. O de banoke wakwe. O de banoke yakwe jealousy baba. E babe dun. Jealousy. Old man with the jealous. Na you be. Old man with the jealous, small children. Now you be. You don't want no jealousy be a car. You don't. You see ya boy. You see ya boy. A joma, a dimofi. Who a tiwa who a drop. When one nyanya. That way. Oh, I wear pa. When apropos na apropos the call for peace, apropos the toss, apropos me would you be the godfather of face na ta 7 onje na ta na 7 onje godfather na ta 7 onje a judge ese o salobwa make the truth they come out old fool that one government do me well she tried. Mama Monica tried. She was bold to plead me. I said, my children, I know. It's not that they can kill my children. I don't even want them to say Ashley's Grace. Huh? Hey, Oriri. He said, oh yeah, kakabo na eti mweladia. Mama Monica, oh yeah, for. I respected her for that. She tried. Unwe unu takpa no ha evio bibani ba me o mwe voice lada o wo te pe star ladi ando ta o wo nya voice ni esa to pa yi de no ge ra ge me nonsense this okay ken esa to pa yu ladi ya o do u yin ye do ya we wonya divorce we but na ya bowe we me do yin ya we na ni we taloni vie na wa kale ni picture kwa wa gbele kwa o me do yin ya we ni we ta ye okay ke dey do pa you la no do apologize to the world those state people they ga avec pa pera ne ge no wa o da no hin resta avec pa pera de gbe fi e go do fun ya Papera ne ke ni me wi papera me wa ne na me ni me dos Ya gwa lo toto me do ameki na wipa pera. Ah wa. E ko me no nwa keke boya no le meri. No ko do isade. Oye sen e ya le vi agbon hia. I will kwebo na make an de gbagbe. For you to just be honest, you have done bad thing, Give me ya no go tell us that but you may or the but ogonya the voice. Na the yami ya wa ya kwana. And ya wa. Ogonya voice said dokpa. All that be was set. Because it's not is enough. I don't like all this thing. I don't like all this thing. What is all this? It was your voice. It was your voice. It was the only thing I was angry with Mama Monica that she insulted your children. Now hey try. I be carrying a twins. Okay, man, I don't matter but man wala. I will do it here. If you carry my picture, come out. Picture of a blue film. You put my head, you put on that person to those. Pussy is a beautiful thing. Pussy is very beautiful. Even a woman say, oh, you must say. So, okay, a mom, they like. You get me? Okay, it's a doctor, you say, oh, sit in Yana. Oh, sit in Yana. You do politics. Esa dokpa yi onyoro pale toteze nyeno o mami nyeno nyewano obe ibna unye ya go gi me record re Facebook ibeta wa me ba ho e boni san ke pa oreba iya ha e mola da ba ho ya be mola da e ya be ya gie ba me be ya de ba ya be ya gie. It's just social media, something is there already. You don't have to kill anybody about it. Now when you know your time, where you were. Where you were. So that is it. So far, we are okay. Our children are okay. What do they find again? Waiting. Me, I'm fine. Oh. If I see where they laugh today, I'll join you at the laugh. If you say me that, don't you at the laugh, I say, make I join you laugh now. But I don't like you to cry me. If I see where person they cry, I will come out there. You don't see me say I put ROIP or person for my wall. Never. In my ROIP, you war me. Lie. So now that is it, my people. I want to go back to work. I love all of you so much. So much. I know that sometimes they say you decrease the amount. Make me not take that one. I'm not only buy only I make the dose. Please, Mama Monica, calm down. Calm your nerves. Nothing they happen. It pas no get sense at all. It pas do. Monica, Mama Monica, calm down. Calm down. Even no question. Mama me no panu e voice star o pe but mama proof for where. You need have proof lad. E ga na dudu baga editing. E ga nwa veru kwala when the godfather of Facebook aproko. When no when ya guma we. Because aproko is aproko. Whether you be person where they do live video, you have to say the truth here. You have to talk the truth well. Talk. Even though say you hate Monica or you know like you are the godfather. The godfather have to say truth. You understand me? You say now you be the godfather. So everybody must respect that name. Aproko is the godfather of Facebook. So what do tell? What I say? I find buy. So everyone. So Mama Monica, you have to calm down. You have to calm down. Really calm down. Calm down. And my sister Ivy, you guys have to calm down. Everybody know that what they are saying is a lie. You understand me? It's because of the audio record that you people bring out of Esther that is why things are happening. Esther have done something. You understand me? You know, they are in Nigeria. They go to the native doctor. They do many things. Esther, ugawa etabe me those one me you dabo. The never me we dabo we are bebe gumevania. Uyo dabo. One command record the way ruaje wana. Uyo. So leave everything like that. Leave everything like that. Okay? I'm a social media. Dem na mama mi be social media. Ya iwe ya yo ya look be book ya. Iwe hey Hey, après quoi il me vidéo sous, hein? Après quoi non, ou mieux mou, ama ouais, ou à gué bien là. Il y a eu à gué, ne vidéo web et les liens à gué. Adieu, ouais, y a gué. So, the no my me. Let's continue the way let's be doing our things. Let's be doing our things. And for those of you that are doing evil, stop doing evil so that they will not be playing your record. Because the money carry one in one hand. If my Monica, in one hand, because mama Monica est prouvé avec vidéo avec audio prouvé. Il y a là all time not and I for he said the evil is too much in the world. When